My name is Daniel, and I collect strange things. Not stamps or coins, I collect audio recordings from abandoned places, hospitals, schools, factories, anywhere. People once lived and worked, then left behind. I walk through these hollow spaces with a high-quality recorder, capturing the creaks, the wind, the distant traffic. But what I found at the Greenwood Sanatorium was something else entirely. Greenwood closed in 1987 after a series of mysterious patient deaths. The main building still stands, 3 stories of broken windows and peeling paint, surrounded by chain-link fence and warning signs. I'd been planning this visit for months. I went on a Tuesday afternoon when the light was good and the security patrol was supposedly off duty. I slipped through a gap in the fence and made my way to the front entrance. The door was padlocked, but a basement window was shattered. I lowered myself into the darkness, my boots crunching on broken glass. The air smelled of mold and rust and something else, something sweet, like rotting flowers. I turned on my recorder and began to walk. For the first hour, I captured the usual sounds: dripping water, settling foundations, the scamper of rats. But then I entered what used to be the patient recreation room. Chairs were still arranged in a circle, as if someone had been leading a group therapy session just before the doors were locked forever. And in the corner, on a small table, sat a rotary phone. That was strange enough. An old phone in an abandoned asylum. But what made my skin crawl was that the cord wasn't connected to anything. It just trailed to the floor and ended in bare wires. I approached slowly, my recorder picking up every footstep. When I was 3 feet away, the phone rang. Pre-med jumped bike, nearly dropping my equipment. The phone rang again, a harsh, mechanical sound utterly out of place in this dead building. Then again, on the 4th ring, I did something stupid. Primera picked it up. There was no dial tone. Instead, I heard a woman's voice, soft and distant, as if speaking from very far away. "Hello? Is someone there? Please. I've been trying to reach you for so long. I'm still here. They left me here. Can you hear me?" I should have hung up. I should have run. But I asked, "Who is this?" "Eleanor, room 217. They said I was better, but I wasn't. They let me go, but I came back. I always come back. Are you here to take me home?" The line went dead. I stood there for a long moment, the phone still pressed to my ear, my heart hammering against my ribs. Then I heard footsteps in the hallways, low, shuffling footsteps, coming closer. I dropped the phone and ran for the basement window, scrambling through just as something entered the recreation room behind me. I didn't look back. When I got home, I listened to my recording. The entire conversation with Eleanor was there, clear as day. But so was something else, a whisper, barely audible, right at the end. It said, "We know where you live, Daniel. We'll call again." I've changed my phone number twice, but sometimes, late at night, my phone still rings. The caller ID always says the same thing: Greenwood Sanatorium room 217.